Hello, David streaming team, and welcome. So today I'm going to continue my tutorials, how to series, to teach you guys how we can make a good spider game, and how we make our game, and how we play them, and how we enjoy our games. So I'm going to search for GTA. Sorry. And we have like many websites that provide the modes that's ready. So I'm going to choose this Max Modes. So Grand Theft Auto V Legacy. Here we have many complete temples. So we have to look at the version. I think version 1 point is good, so it's able to work with our game. And maybe we just read more about the game. It's in this language. I think it's not our language. So here is the English one. Sample controls. Press A to turn the relation off. Yeah, I think we all know those steps. So let's back and search for other one. Rocket vehicles view. So this is add-ons for more vehicles. You want more vehicles, credit. All these are free. You can just click here on manual and download and choose which part you need. And yeah, I like this website because they are providing like more models. You can choose which one and download. So I think this is the easiest part in the tutorial, that downloading the modes. But you guys have to take care of the version number. So let's see here. It's a 3.4. So I think 3.4 will not work because we can only work with one and 1.2 maximum. If 2.2, will not work. If, for example, 2, it will works. So you have to make sure this part version is 2 or less, not or more. So unfortunately, it is not working with us. It's looking for other. Yeah, this is version number 1. Total views like 800. Yeah, good. Okay, so you just have to click here download and the script happy download, and see you guys in the next tutorial, and I'm going to show you how to install this in your Mac. Thank you so much.